Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5065426, because of these error code, that is 0x800f0922, or if you're receiving this error or this error. Now the first step is to run this command. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you open command prompt as an administrator only. Paste the command, hit the enter key. This will take some time. Let the scan complete. Once the scan is 100% complete over here, then run the second command. So once that is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, and once the second scan, this scan is 100% complete, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working. The next step is to start these services. Type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Find App Readiness, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Find Windows Update, scroll down. Here you can see Windows Update. Make a double click, make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. With this selected, make a right click, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, again set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Now with this selected, again make a right click, click on restart. Now you can try to update. Still not working. The next step is to pause and restart the update. So you can go to Windows settings, go to Windows Update, and then hit pause over here. And once the pause is done, now resume updates, and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this, open this link. The link is provided in the video description over here. Write down the name of the update, that is KB5065426 over here, and then click on search and type in WINVER in Windows search box, and then click on WinVer, run command. Here you can see my version is version 24H2. Check the version and then open Windows settings, go to system, and then go to about option. Over here you can see I have 64-bit operating system, so you can check your system type. For me it's Windows 11 version 24H2, Windows 11 version 24H2 x64 based system. Now in case if you have version 25H2, Windows 11 version 25H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. And then click on download, and then click on KB5065426. Let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file and you can install this update manually. So click on it, follow the on-screen instruction, install it manually. Once done, restart your computer, and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, advanced option over here, scroll down, recovery option. Click on here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, you can check. The last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this, open this link in a browser. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and then you can run this exe file. Run this exe file. When you run this exe file, click on accept over here, and then click, by default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here, and then click on next. So you can save it to desktop, save, and let the download complete. This process will take some time, and once the download is complete, click on finish option, and once it is done, let this close automatically, and then go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, run the setup file, make a double click, click on yes to allow, click on next over here, click on accept, and here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So click on install. After the installation, log into the computer, and then you can check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install these updates successfully on a Windows computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.